Welcome, everybody. I hope you are having a blessed day. Everybody in your family safe and healthy and all that. In this video, I'm going to talk about what I believe is the best low risk, high reward investment opportunity in the crypto markets as of February 5th. And in the comments, if you know of any other opportunities out there in the crypto markets that you think have less of a risk and a higher reward, I want you to tell me about it. But before I drop what I'm going to drop on you, I want to give you my disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Before you make any financial investments, make sure you seek financial guidance and a professional's input. Okay, the best low risk, high reward crypto investment opportunity out there that I think lies on the Cardano ecosystem. The layer one solution, Cardano and ADA, and it has to do with the ISPOs. So if you're not familiar with ISPOs, I'm about to break it down for you. Let's check it out. All right, on Cointelegraph, it breaks down ISPO. There's an article. It says ISPO 101, a beginner's guide on initial stake pool offerings. So check it out. An initial stake pool offering is one of many ways for a crypto project to raise funds. It is a relatively new approach to crypto fundraising and was first introduced on the Cardano blockchain. And that's one of the reasons why I like Cardano. They're like innovating new things. Are not just copy and pasting code and putting out the same stuff. Hey, how's it going, Mind Over Matter? Good to see you too. I'm glad you're watching the stream. So they're breaking out new things. Like they're just not putting out copying other people's code and pasting it. They're coming out with new innovations, and that's very important in the crypto ecosystem. All right, let me continue with the article. It says, being a stake of proof blockchain, Cardano permits investors to stake cryptos in support of the network's decentralization and receive rewards in return. In this case, an investor can easily delegate their ADA, the native token of the Cardano blockchain, to their preferred pool operator, even when they lack the resources or runtime to run their own stake pools. So basically, you guys are probably familiar with staking cryptocurrencies, right? So you stake your cryptocurrencies, and the incentive for you to stake your cryptocurrency is that whatever cryptocurrency is, they're going to give you some type of rewards. The rewards range from maybe like 3% to like 15%. Sometimes on rare occasions, you could get a higher return than that, but that's normally the range that it lies in, right? So on Cardano, when you do an ISPO, when you participate in an ISPO, what you're doing is delegating your Cardano to a specific stake pool designated by the cryptocurrency that's doing the ISPO. And what they'll do is sometimes it depends on the ISPO, but they'll keep your ADA returns on Cardano. The rewards for staking is usually between 4 and 5%. On the ISPO, they might take and keep your ADA rewards, and in return, they'll give you their new coins, their new tokens that they're coming out. So the new project, whatever company it is, or whatever blockchain innovations they came out with, they're going to give you their tokens in return. And we all know that when you invest in cryptocurrency or anything, the best time to invest is when something's new. Like just imagine investing in Amazon when it first came out. What's up to Mr. Corbin? I see you in the chat. Respect. Or investing in Google when they first came out. Or let's keep it in crypto, like on Ethereum. What about if you would have invested in Uniswap when it just came out? Well, like right now on Cardano Sunday Swap, a lot of people are thinking that the Sunday Swap DEX is going to be basically like the Uniswap of Cardano, and it's doing an ISPO. And let's check out their ISPO right now. All right, so here's some information about it. It tells you the details about it. It tells you what epochs it's on, and it tells you the dates. As long as you're staking in their stake pool. So the first three already passed. The next one is February 9th. If you're staking in one of their ISPO pools that they designated on February 9th by that time right there, 21:45 UTC time, then you will receive some Sunday tokens. And what I like about Sunday Swap is they're not keeping your Cardano rewards. You actually get all of your Cardano rewards. You keep your staked ADA, and they're going to pay you in the Sunday Swap tokens, which is like amazing. Like this is, man, if you're in cryptocurrencies, like you got to be participating in these ISPOs. If you have Cardano, if you have any ADA cryptocurrencies, it'd probably be a good idea for you to be participating in these ISPOs. So let me go to the ISPO dashboard real quick. Again, it shows you the dates, and these are the stake pools that you need to stake your Cardano if you want to get those rewards. And they have a lot of them because they've been getting full. So they had to keep signing up new stake pools because these were all getting full. So I don't know how many this is. Maybe it's like 30, maybe 40 or 50. That's a lot. Yeah, so I think the ISPOs on Cardano is the best way to invest if you're looking for a low risk and high reward investment opportunity, because when you're staking on Cardano, you could withdraw your funds. It's not like Ethereum where when you stake, you got to keep it locked on the network for a certain amount of time. Anytime you want to unstake your Cardano and move it around, change it, sell it, whatever, swap it, you could do that even if you're participating in the ISPO. And then on top of that, some of these ISPOs, you're still going to get your ADA rewards, your 5% or 4% ADA every year. So you're still going to get your ISPO, your rewards when you participate in the Sunday Swap ISPO. But there's other ISPOs on Cardano where you're not going to get your ADA rewards, but still you keep your Cardano. Let me go to the chat real quick. It says, Mr. Carbon Master, what do you think of XRP? I don't think much of XRP because really it's a payment system and it's really designed for like banks. So it could do good, but it's more of like a one trick pony. Like, you know, it's for the banks. It's not for us to like stake and yield farm on it. Like you can't get, like if I had a choice between Cardano and XRP, like it's not even a fair choice because there's more ways that I could make money off of Cardano. I could stake Cardano and get 4 to 5%. I could participate in these ISPOs and I could still get my 4 or 5% of Cardano. And then on top of that, I get these new coins and these new tokens that are coming out. And let me give you an example of some of the rewards or some of the gains that you could experience with staking and the chances of these new coins on Cardano giving you some high returns. So let's check out Milk right here. So I'm on Muesli Swap and it has a lot of the Cardano native assets on there and you can see what their values are. So let's check out the value of Milk. So on January 7th, Milk was valued at 1.7 ADA. On this swap, on Muesli Swap, they have the value compared against ADA, not the US dollar. So the Milk coin was valued at 1.7 ADA on January 7th. So like a month ago. And then today it is valued at 7 ADA. And ADA right now is, what is it, like 13 cents, $1.13, something like that. So that's almost like a 4X. In like a month's time, that's like a 4X. And that's the potential you have with new projects coming out on Cardano. Of course, they're all not going to experience a 4x in 1 month. Some of them are going to be duds, and they might just go down in value. As soon as they come out, people might dump it and it might lose all its value. But the potential for some of these new projects to get some serious gains is very probable, since the smart contracts on Cardano have been released recently. And so these projects are new. These are like the first ones coming out. And that's when you could get the biggest gains, when things first come out. Like 4 or 5 years from now, you know, these ISPOs might not be as valuable as they are this year. Like this year, these ISPOs, some of these projects are going to be home runs. And if you participate in them, man, you could make some serious gains. So that's what I think is the best low risk, high reward investment opportunity in crypto right now is the Cardano ISPOs that are going to be coming out this year. If you know of any other low risk, high reward opportunities that you think are better than the Cardano ISPOs, then let me know in the comments, because I definitely want to look into it. I don't know everything, but I do know a little, and I'll do my research. If you give me a line on something new that I'm not aware of, I'll check it out. And I want to learn more. Share your information. I'll try to share my information with you. Have a blessed day. Take care of yourself. I'll talk